know, and I will always love you. I will always love you. My darling, you. Bittersweet memories. That is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye. Please don't cry. We both know I'm not what you need, and I will always love you. I would always love you. I hope life treats you kind, and
Mr. Subramanian, the CEO of Audi. I still remember when Subbu took over, Audi was possibly number 3 in the luxury car segment. His dynamism and zeal have made Audi number 1 in the luxury car segment in India. And it's amazing that he is so driven. He has such vision for the company, and it's amazing to partner with Audi. He is with Jubilant, and because of his dynamism and zeal, Audi Chennai and Bengaluru and other regions are the number 1 as far as Audi India is concerned. I now request Subramanian of Audi to please say a few words.
Good evening. It's such an honor to be here, and it almost feels like I'm in a galaxy, because a lot of stars are here, and to make it even more real, there are flashlights blinking all the time. So thank you, gentlemen, and all the photographers. Ritz Icon Award, this is the 3rd year in success that we are partnering with this event. Congratulations, Ritz, for completing 5 years in this edition of awards and 9 years in its publication. There are a lot of people who are present who will be successful in their walks of life. Today we're going to see some of them, we've already seen some of them receiving the awards and more to come. I wanted to take a few moments to kind of talk about a few words about Audi, its success in India and all of that first. Audi is the first company which is going to be doing 10,000 cars in 2013, and it's the first company in the luxury car segment to achieve this landmark. It is also expanding its dealership network. It's moved to 34 dealers across the country. So it's here to kind of being the numero uno for the years to come. I'm very proud and privileged to be successfully associated with this brand. This particular event is dedicated for people who have been successful in their walk of life. If you go back and ask what's the purpose of life, many people would say that the purpose of life is to first find a shelter above you, food and dress and clothing. But after that is the society and distinction. After that is the prestige, status, esteem and all of that. But beyond that, what is the purpose of life? And some of the people who are here have answered that. And if the purpose of life is to make money, of course it is to make money, but there must be a meaning to it. Each and every one of them who's going to receive an award has found that meaning. Each and every one of us are talented, gifted in our own ways, but how do we use that gift and talent to contribute to the society is the most important thing that gives them success. I wish all the awardees more and more success to come, and those who are on stage, those who are present in the event, are inspired in their lives to do more. Thank you, Ritz, and thank you, Aruna.
You're too modest when you speak about yourself and when you speak about this publication. It's really been her baby, and I've seen her take it places where, very established publications don't go. So I'm very proud of her, first of all. That's how they've sort of survived and they've sort of thrived all these years with quality products and bringing excellence to the table. And that's what this awards also recognize and reward. That's how we find very common links between coach and between Ritz and between the Ritz Cricket Awards. I'm very, very proud to be here. I'm very proud to meet people who've proven themselves in so many more ways than one, and I am really blessed.
Thank you, Ritz, for giving me this award. I would like to dedicate this to my dad, who has always believed in me and my dreams. Thank you.
Dynamic Director of Satyabama University, Mrs. Marizina Johnson. Marizina, would you please come on stage?
So, ellarku vanakkam. Such a wonderful evening to start with. On behalf, before I start my speech, I would like to congratulate all the winners over here, because I know how much Aruna has worked for it, and the entire team of Ritz. A round of applause for the entire team, because the best has done. So I had come for a sponsor when I heard Nirbaya's parents are here. Today I had spoken when I was speaking to Aruna. I said I would make a note with all of you here, because it happened a year ago. We made a lot of noise. We were on the roads. We were shouting. But that was the last daughter of India we lost? No. We're losing more daughters of India. So when you give a standing ovation for Nirbaya's parent, a humble request from my side, root this soil, purify this soil, and see to that something you would do for the daughters of India. Because safeguarding women would definitely make the nation grow. And to all the parents here, please do teach your children how to respect. When respect comes, everything comes. Thank you so much.
Asian Games medal return வாங்குறப்ப இந்த கஷ்டத்தை இது நிவர்த்தி பண்ணிருக்கு. என்னோட எய்ம் எல்லாம் என்ன அப்படின்னா, நம்ம தாய்நாட்டுக்காண்டி இந்தியாவுக்காண்டி ஒரு ஒலிம்பிக் மெடல் வாங்கணும் அப்படின்னு தான் என்னோட லட்சியம், எய்ம் எல்லாமே. அது அந்த கனவை உடைச்சிட்டாங்க. ஆனாலும் நிச்சயமா நான் இதுல நான் பின்வாங்க போறதில்லை. நான் இப்போ ஒரு கோச்சா படிச்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன் பெங்களூர்ல. நான் நம்ம இந்தியா இந்த 125 கோடி மக்களும் எதிர்பார்க்கிற ஒலிம்பிக் கோல்டு மெடலை நிச்சயமா என்னால வாங்க முடியும் அப்படின்னு நம்பிக்கை இருக்கு. அதுக்காண்டி நான் இப்போ கடுமையா உழைச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன். நிச்சயமா என்னோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஒலிம்பிக் மெடலை வாங்க வைப்பேன். அதுக்கு நீங்க எல்லாம் சப்போர்ட்